name is Alvina Lausunadampa.
Hello, my name is Vitirina Anaguyang.
Hello, my name is Nur Shasha Izira.
Hello everyone, my name is Roena Sanea Anawisman.
Let's begin with introduction. NovaTech is a company that sells high-quality and affordable laptops from top brands like Asus, HP, and Apple, perfect for students and office workers. The business also sells laptop accessories, provides software installation services, and handles laptop repairs. Online booking is also available through the official website. As the demand for digital tools increases, the business aims to improve operational efficiency and data handling to ensure a smooth workflow and enhance the customer experience. The main objective of this project is to develop a database system using Microsoft Access to manage product information, sales records, and customer interactions. Currently, the business faces challenges like lack of backup data, poor monitoring, and outdated records. Manual data management often leads to confusion, duplication, and human error. A centralized database will help the business store, manage, and access critical information more easily and securely, supporting future growth. The next part is where we dive deeper into the identification of problems with the current system.
The database system is important in every industry as it is used to manage customer data, product information, sales transaction, and other critical business detail. Failure to properly maintain the database system can result in data loss, customer dissatisfaction, and a decline in organizational performance. One of the main problems faced by the company is the lack of proper backup and monitoring mechanism in the current system. For example, in the event of power outage, the backup process may be disrupted. Without a proper monitoring, this can go unnoticed, leading to incomplete data entries. As a result, the company may suffer from significant data loss and business disruption. The next problem is disparate data, whereas the key issue is inconsistency, where the same data point might be represented differently across sources, leading to inaccurate reporting and decision making. For example, customer addresses might be formatting differently in a CRM system versus a marketing database. Another problem is outdated data, whose records are no longer current, relevant, and applicable. Data from a decade, a years, or even a month ago can be no longer useful, even misleading based on context. Hence, it will lead to wasting time and effort over already sold out or no longer available items. The last problem is the manual system entry. Using a manual system puts a pressure on people to always correct all the details of their work, and it can be easily to accidentally switch detail and end up with an inconsistency in data entry. Hence, this will lead to an error in the invoice of billing amounts and the type of items of the customer preference. Furthermore, developing a database system using Microsoft Access can effectively address these issues. Microsoft Access supports intensive data sharing, allowing multiple users to view, modify, and update the same database in real time. It also offers easy integration capabilities, enabling NovaTech to create and manage database applications that interact seamlessly with other systems. This not only improves customer service but also enhances overall business efficiency.
To overcome the problems, our organization proposed to implement database system using Microsoft Access. By using Microsoft Access can avoid the inadequacy of manual management and easier to manage the data. And these 5 elements found in the database. Firstly, table. We use 2 tables for customer and laptop to store essential data. Secondly, queries. We use 5 queries to retrieve specific data based on predefined criteria. For example, queries for customer by cities and membership, and also queries for laptop price per customer. Thirdly is form. We use 3 forms, offer an easy use to interface for working with data, enabling user to view, edit, and add information. Next is reports. Our organization uses 3 reports to summarize data decision-making purpose. Lastly is relationship. relationship allowing data from multiple tables to be connected and user efficiently.
Let's look at the first element. The database developed for NovaTech is structured using two essential tables, the Customers table and the Laptops table. To begin with, tables in Microsoft Access play a crucial role in helping businesses store information in a structured, accurate, and efficient manner. By separating related data into different tables, it becomes easier to avoid duplication, ensure data consistency, and simplify data retrieval. This is especially important for businesses that handle multiple customer records and product transactions on a regular basis. The first table, which is the Customers table, contains all relevant information about the business's clients. It includes several important fields. The customer ID is a unique identifier assigned to each customer and acts as the primary key for the table. This is followed by customer name, which stores the full name of the customer, and phone number, which keeps their contact number. In addition, the email field stores the customer's email address, while the membership field indicates whether or not a customer holds a membership with the business. Lastly, the city field specifies the location where the customer resides. On the other hand, the second table is called the Laptops table, which records details of each laptop order. The order ID serves as the unique identifier for each order and acts as the primary key for this table. Next, the customer ID field functions as a foreign key linking each order to specific customer from the customers table. The laptop name field records the name or model of the laptop purchased. In addition, the price field stores the cost of the laptop, while warranty years specifies the length of warranty period in years. Lastly, the quantity ordered field records the number of units purchased for each order. Furthermore, the two tables are connected through a one-to-many relationship using the customer ID field. This means that one customer can be associated with multiple laptop orders, but each order is linked to only one customer. This relationship is vital as it allows the business to retrieve and analyze data across both tables in a meaningful way. For instance, the business can track all purchases made by a particular customer, filter orders by city, or compare how many laptops were bought by members versus non-members. Not only does this improve accuracy and organization, but it also supports better decision-making through faster and more reliable data analysis.
For this part, I will explain 5 queries that we create. Queries help to filter record, displaying only the information that is relevant to the user. The first query is customer by cities and membership. These queries contain customer information such as customer ID, customer name, phone number, email, membership, and city. With these queries, user can identify customer who have membership and the customer city. Next queries is customer by city and low laptop price. These queries contain customer ID, customer name, phone number, email, membership, city, and price. This query helps users to identify buyers by city who buy laptops at the lowest price. Next queries is customer by membership or order quantity. Queries for customer by membership or order quantity contain customer ID, customer name, membership, laptop name, and quantity order. With this query, users can identify buyers who have membership and their order quantity. Last but not least, queries for high-price laptops and short warranty. This query contains laptop information such as order ID, laptop name, price, and warranty. This query aims to make it easier for users to identify laptops with high price and short warranty. Last is query is total laptop price per customer. This query contains customer ID, customer name, laptop name, price, quantity order, and total price. This query can make it easier to user to find out the total price of the laptop according to the laptop purchased by the customer.
Now, I will explain the form design in Microsoft Access for the NovaTech database. These forms serve as a user-friendly interface for interacting with and managing data stored in tables. It customized to display data in specific layouts, restrict access to certain fields, and streamline repetitive text. The first figure shows a form view of customer data entry. These customer data entry forms allow staff to add, update, and delete customer information, and it also includes the navigation buttons and validation features to ensure that accurate data is entered, including the part of the city to which the customer belongs. Next figure is the laptop purchase data entry form, which captures detail of customer purchases such as laptop name and quantity ordered. It also contains buttons for saving, deleting, and searching records, making data entry more efficient. The last figure is the multi-page form, which combines both customer and laptop purchase data entry. Staff can easily navigate between pages using the next or previous button to manage customer records and purchase details seamlessly.
In Microsoft Access, reports are used to display data from a company's database in a structured and visually appealing format. They assist in the comprehension, analysis, and printing of information. Unlike forms, reports are meant only for presenting data, not to entering or modifying it. For example, the customer with a membership from Kota Semarang and Serian report, based on a query, shows customer details like city, membership status, and quantity ordered. This helps staff determine to customer city and whether they have a company membership. Another report is the total price per customer report. Also based on a query, provides information like customer's name, laptop models, and prices. It also shows the total amount spent by each customer. This enables the company to see the types of laptops ordered and better understand the total cost per customer. Additionally, a multiple table report, which combines data from both of the customer by membership or order quantity and total laptop price per customer queries. It presents all customer purchase information in one place. This comprehensive report is especially useful for printing as backup documentation for future company reference. The relationship diagram in Microsoft Access shows how tables in a database are related. Tables are linked in using primary keys and foreign keys. This setup allows data to be stored in separate, connected tables and supports complex table join queries. In this case, the customer's table and the laptop's table are connected through a one-to-many relationship using the customer ID. This means one customer can place multiple laptop orders, but each order is tied to only one customer. This relationship ensures referential integrity, preventing inconsistent or open data, such as a laptop ordered without a corresponding customer. The relationship diagram helps visualize and manage these connections, ensuring data accuracy and detailed report. In conclusion, Microsoft Access has replaced NovaTech's error-prone manual data entry system, solving issues like outdated records, lack of backups, and human error. With a centralized database, data is now more accurate, consistent, and easy to retrieve. Tools like tables, queries, forms, reports, and relationship diagrams help organize and connect customer and order information effectively. Automating tasks such as calculations, filtering, and reporting saves time and improves decision-making. Overall, this system offers a scalable, secure solution that boosts efficiency and service quality in today's digital world.